Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to make ginger toffees. Yes, these are small ginger balls made with ginger and jaggery. Especially during this winter season, it's very good because it keeps us away from all cold, cough and throat infection. So make these balls and keep it in an airtight container, and daily in the morning take one ball of it. For this we need 50 grams of ginger and 100 grams of jaggery. We'll cut both into small pieces, the ginger and the jaggery also will cut into small pieces, and we'll grind both together in a mixer jar to a fine paste. Pour it in a pan or a kadai, and in slow flame cook it till it leaves the kadai. The flame should be very low and you have to stir it continuously. Here we can see it's changing the color. It is changed into golden brown. We have to cook for a few more minutes till it leaves the pan. We'll add 1/3 spoon of salt to it, and also we'll add cardamom powder to it. At this time we will switch off the flame, and we will take small balls and roll it in sugar powder. Be careful, it's very hot this time. Roll it in the sugar powder and your ginger toffee is ready. If you feel the mixture is cold and it's difficult to make balls, you can warm it again and it will become soft to make the ginger balls. Here our ginger toffees are ready. Store it in an airtight container, and every morning and evening you can have one ball. It will be very good. It will keep you away from all cold, cough and throat infection. Hope you enjoy this video.